In the world of recreational vehicles and travel trailers, there is a dirty little secret that many manufacturers hope you never find out about. Most traditional RVs, even the expensive ones, are built using materials that are inherently designed to fail over time. We are talking about wood, staples, and thin luan panels that are highly susceptible to rot, mold, and structural degradation the moment moisture finds its way through a seam. However, every so often, a company comes along that decides to throw the traditional rulebook out the window and build something that is engineered to last a lifetime. That company is the Aluminum Trailer Company, or ATC, and their latest travel trailer and toy hauler hybrid is currently disrupting the entire industry. Based in Nappanee, Indiana, ATC has spent years perfecting commercial and racing trailers, and they have now applied that rigorous engineering to the consumer RV market with a product that is unlike anything else on the road today. What makes the ATC trailer so different starts with the very bones of the vehicle. While almost every other manufacturer uses a wooden floor and wooden wall studs, ATC uses a six-sided integrated aluminum box frame. This means the floor, the walls, and the roof are all constructed from high-quality aluminum. There is absolutely no wood used in the structural components of this trailer. This is a game changer for long-term ownership. If you have ever owned a traditional travel trailer, you know that a small leak in the roof or a window seal can lead to thousands of dollars in hidden damage as the wooden floor joists and wall panels begin to rot away. With an ATC trailer, that fear is completely eliminated. Aluminum does not rot, it does not rust in the traditional sense, and it does not support the growth of mold. This is a trailer that you can truly pass down to your children, representing a level of durability that is usually reserved for heavy-duty commercial equipment. The brilliance of the ATC design lies in its incredible versatility. It is not just a travel trailer, and it is not just a toy hauler. It is a sophisticated hybrid that manages to excel at both. Most toy haulers on the market feel like a garage that someone threw a bed into as an afterthought, or a luxury camper that has a small, cramped space for a motorcycle. ATC has taken a different approach by creating a wide-open, modular living space. The interior is designed with a heavy-duty extruded aluminum floor that is not only incredibly strong, but also surprisingly easy to maintain. In fact, one of the most famous selling points of these trailers is that you can literally take a hose to the interior. If you have been out on the trails with your ATVs or dirt bikes and you bring back a load of mud and sand, you don't have to worry about ruining a plush carpet or a delicate laminate floor. You simply sweep it out or wash it down, and the aluminum structure handles the moisture without a problem. The modularity of the interior is enabled by an extensive L-track system integrated directly into the floor and walls. This allows the owner to secure motorcycles, side-by-sides, or even kayaks with professional-grade precision. But the magic happens when the toys are unloaded. The furniture in an ATC trailer is designed to be tucked away or folded up against the walls, creating a massive amount of square footage. When it is time to relax, the sofas and beds fold down to create a comfortable, modern living environment. The cabinetry is also constructed from aluminum, finished in high-quality powder coatings or laminates that provide a sleek, industrial, modern aesthetic. It feels more like a high-end mobile command center or a professional racing paddock than a traditional grandmother's camper. From an automotive news perspective, the weight savings provided by this all-aluminum construction cannot be ignored. Aluminum is significantly lighter than the steel and wood combination used in standard trailers. This lower curb weight translates directly to a better towing experience. Whether you're using a half-ton pickup or a heavy-duty diesel, the reduced weight and superior aerodynamics of the ATC design lead to better fuel economy and less strain on the tow vehicle's transmission and brakes. Furthermore, because the frame is so rigid, the trailer tracks exceptionally well behind the vehicle, reducing the swaying and bouncing that often plagues lighter wood-framed campers. ATC has engineered the center of gravity to stay low, ensuring that even when you have thousands of pounds of gear in the back, the trailer remains stable and predictable on the highway. The plumbing and electrical systems in the ATC travel trailer are a step above the industry standard. Because they come from a background of building trailers for the most demanding racing teams in the world, they understand that reliability is paramount. The wiring is neatly loomed and easily accessible, and the plumbing is designed to withstand the vibrations of off-road travel. This is a trailer built for the adventurer who wants to go where the pavement ends. While a standard RV might start to rattle apart after a few miles on a washboard road, the ATC integrated aluminum box frame acts as a singular, rigid unit that can handle the stress of overlanding and remote camping. From an aesthetics perspective, the ATC Plaid series and their other trim levels offer a clean, purposeful look that appeals to the modern minimalist. There are no swooping, dated graphics on the exterior. Instead, you get clean lines and high-quality finishes. The ramp door at the rear is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring a high weight capacity and a smooth operation that allows it to double as a patio deck when you're parked at your favorite campsite. This effectively increases your living space, giving you an elevated platform to enjoy the view while remaining off the ground and away from bugs. Critics might point to the price tag as a potential hurdle, since all aluminum trailers are naturally more expensive to produce than wood-framed ones. However, when you calculate the total cost of ownership over 10 or 20 years, the ATC actually becomes the more economical choice. A traditional RV often has a lifespan of about 10 years before major structural repairs are needed, and their resale value plummets the moment they leave the lot. An ATC trailer, because of its rot-proof construction and timeless design, holds its value remarkably well on the secondary market. You're essentially paying for a piece of equipment that will never need to be replaced due to structural failure. As we look towards the future of the RV industry in 2025 and beyond, it is clear that consumers are becoming more educated and more demanding. They're tired of disposable products and are looking for quality, utility, and longevity. The ATC travel trailer and toy hauler hybrid checks all of those boxes. It is a rugged, lightweight, and incredibly versatile tool for exploration that refuses to compromise on quality. Whether you are a professional racer needing a mobile workshop, a family of 4 looking for a durable way to see the national parks, or an off-road enthusiast who needs a place to store their toys, ATC has created a vehicle that is truly different from everything else on the market today. It is a bold statement in an industry that has been stagnant for too long, and it is a reminder that when you build things the right way, they tend to last forever.